Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Wike and 27 lawmakers in disarray as court has ordered the lawyers to play the video of the 27 lawmakers moving from PDP to APC. They are now in a serious place they cannot even begin to imagine. Everyone is wondering, as Wike says, they should not worry, he will work on it. My people, Wike, you cannot work on everything. You know why? The judiciary, if you like, be bribing them, give them house, give them car, whatever you want to do. But it does not mean that you can control everybody and you can control the nation and you've got anybody in your pockets. It's going to really happen that at the end of the day, if moving from one party to the other, as we all know, according to the law, is a great sin, and so you will pay for it as it stands. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. The court has granted Fubara'S the leave to play the video for the 27 lawmakers moving from PDP to APC. Now, Wike and his guys are in disarray. Clifford Okechi, counsel to the pro-Fubara'S group in the Rivers State House of Assembly dispute, has underscored the importance of their legal case against Nyesom Wike lawmakers, stating that they have the video of the 27 lawmakers. The court has granted permission to present this footage during proceedings. Wike and his men are in total disarray. Wike has assured them that nothing will happen. However, this is a big breakthrough in the case, as he cannot fight the constitution of our dear country. He may do whatever he thinks he wants to do, but he cannot control or manipulate everyone. They decided to give away their position when they moved. In an interview, Chukwuemeka said, "Our prayer is simple and widely understood, that lawmakers openly declared their movement to the world. We saw it on Channels TV, TVC, and so on. Now they are asking the court to enforce the law, and they themselves have vacated the law. They miscalculated the law. What exactly do you want the court to establish?" Looking into the issue, it is clear that they decided their future when they moved. There's nothing anyone can do to help them. He further explained that the lawmakers have filed an affidavit at the Federal High Court in Abuja, admitting that they moved, a fact that is collaborated by the People Democratic Party in their response. Interestingly, we have the video clips as evidence, and the court has already granted us opportunity to play them. Although they've been told by their boss, Wike, that he will help them. But the truth of the matter is, if we are going to uphold the law is the law, and nobody can break the law because of one position you occupy and think that they can go away with it. Whatever has happened is a clear indication that they gave up their rights, their position and their place when they made the decision they made. It's all over. They should stop disturbing everybody and focus on their future, go for what will work for them, and move on. Days have already declared who they are. They made it their choice. Here it is. So my lovely people, this is exactly what is going on. Everybody is beginning to, ask themselves real serious questions. How did we get here in the first place, where people know the law very well? Whether not by mistake or not intentionally they break the law, you have broken the law. It is very clear when you break the law. You made a choice and you will live with the consequences of the decision of the choice you have made. When they left from one party to the other, there was nothing anybody could do to help them. It was simply and ultimately their choice. And so now that the choice is beginning to bite in, the reality of the choice is biting in, there is no hiding place. Okay, there is no hiding place. Everybody knows exactly what has happened, and the truth remains. If they cannot honestly, sincerely, humble themselves, either go back to the go back to, being voted for, honestly, sincerely, doing all that is needed for them to get this reality. It shows that they are not ready to move. It shows that they are not ready to really, make amends. Those are some of the things really happening. So it is clear that these things have happened. It is clear that they've made a huge mistake, but are they willing to accept it? Are they really willing to ensure that, the honest position is made, and, they can move forward? Fubara'S said in one of the interviews that he was ready to, in the spirit of sportsmanship, be, allow things to slide. He said, but when they became smart, when they began to do some things they were doing, he realized that God delivered him by making these people make mistake. They made a mistake now that is affecting them all. And the truth of it is, if they are going to rectify this error that they have made already, they will have to do more. They will have to come out, and will apology cut it now? But there is much more that they will do. It's beyond just them saying, we have moved. No, no, no. The movement does not, nobody wants to hear that. Nobody wants to hear that. When Wike was encouraging them to do what they did, it felt like they were on top of the world. They saw it, they knew it, but they decided, or they made a future out of what they currently see. Even Tinubu cannot help them, because the law is the law. Even Tinubu cannot help them. That's the reality. Even Tinubu cannot help them. So everyone is expected, to understand what these people have done. And we're supposed to move in harmony in order for us to work together as one. The truth of it is, a nation that has no law, that do not prioritize honesty and sincerity, will have a lot of struggles. Wike cannot sit in one place, come and try to say, oh, this is what it is. He can't do that. Wike can't do that. He can't do that. And so everyone has come to see that indeed, what we describe as, what we're describing as something unreal has become the reality of what is staring us all in the face. So it is what it is, my people. How do you see all of this? Wike pushed them into this. Wike told them that they will be able to get away with it. But guess what? Who is laughing the last laugh? These are some of the ways that you can truly understand the nature of things. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Bye for now.